Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A16, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. So to get started, you want to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and then you can just straight away connect it to your phone. Now, there is two ways you can go about this. If you have a screen lock that you don't know, you can perform a reset of your phone, and this will get rid of a screen lock, though usually this means that you will need to verify the device through FRP, meaning verify either the Google account or the screen lock that was previously used once you're going to the setup of it. So just want to warn you. And the difference is, if you know your screen lock, you can just simply swipe down, click on the power button, and select restart, and confirm your screen lock if you have one. And once the device starts to turn off, which it does so by showing the Samsung logo, and then it disappears. Once it disappears, hold the power button and volume up at the same time, and you would hold both of those. But for people that don't know the screen lock, you can forcibly reboot the device, and you do so by holding power button and the volume down. So you can do that on the lock screen or home screen. Obviously, if you don't know your screen lock, you'd be on a lock screen, and what you would be doing is holding power button and the volume down till the phone turns off. So instead of looking for the Samsung logo to disappear, you're looking for the screen to turn off, and then you're gonna swipe to power button, volume up, and then let go of the power button when you see the Galaxy logo, which is the same thing that you would do if you know the screen lock. Once the phone turns off, power button, volume up. When the Galaxy logo shows up, let go of the power button, and this will then redirect you to the recovery mode. We can now unplug the cable, as it was only needed to get us into here, and using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. When it's selected, you want to confirm it using your power button, select Factory Data Reset, confirm that, and at the bottom you'll see Data Wipe Complete as the last entry, at which point Reboot System now will be selected by default, so press power button once more, and this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Because it is continuing the reset in the background, it will take the device just a bit longer to boot back up than it normally does, so don't worry, this is completely normal. Once everything is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen, so I'll be back once it is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.